I'm going to show you guys how to install these bar risers. My fiance's got a 2020 TTR 125 LE. The bike is good size for her, but the bars are a little bit short, so I'm going to put these bar risers on. They're 30 millimeters, so hopefully that helps us out a little bit. So this is what comes in the kit. You got the two riser replacements, and then you have the hardware. It comes with these spacers, but you only use these spacers if the bolts cannot be threaded in all the way, and it's just to fill in the small gap if the bolt can't get down all the way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is undo the bolts. These are 10 millimeter bolts. There's 4 of them, and then I'm also going to remove the bracket for the ignition switch. And then I'll put it back on after I install the risers. Pull these bolts out. This just comes right off. Now that you have the bars loose, you're just going to take the new spacers and lift the bars up, put the spacer in, and then clamp them back down. Okay, you can see that I've got the new spacer put in on either side. And then you're just going to put these other bar clamps back on, tighten the bolts down, and you're good to go. New bolts in, make sure that you remember to reinstall the bracket for the ignition switch.
New bar risers put on. It really made a huge difference. I just took it for a spin. My wife just took it for a spin as well, and she's amazed at the difference it made. It really feels like a normal bike now. She's relatively flat foot on the bike, but the handlebars were just a little bit too short. But now, I mean, it feels pretty comfortable, so I think it's going to make a pretty big difference. It's going to be a lot easier for her to stand up and ride more comfortably. So overall, pretty happy, really easy installation, and I think it's going to be a good product.